Good morning, everyone. 12th class business studies, and yesterday we started with the directing, the second last function of the management, and there I explained you the meaning of directing, then the features of directing. All these things we have already done in yesterday class. Characteristics of directing, then importance of directing. The most important importance of directing is that the directing initiates action. I told you this is also the feature of directing, that it initiates action. I explained it in detail how it initiates action. Like the workers are waiting, have joined the task and they have come to the organization, but they are not only the workers, all the employees, they are waiting for the instructions. As soon as they will be getting the instructions, they will be starting the work. So plans are made, structure is being designed, and workers are appointed, employees are appointed, but still the work has been not actually started. The plans cannot be executed until the function of directing. So directing is the very important function for the execution of the planning. So yesterday itself I told you that there are four elements of directing: supervision, motivation, leadership, and communication. Out of these four elements, supervision we have already done, and today we'll do leadership. Motivation we will do in last, as it is a little bit lengthy topic, so we will do it in last. And in supervision, I told you that the function and the role of supervisor is deleted from the syllabus. So you just need to do the only the meaning of the supervision. Meaning of supervision means overseeing the employees while they are performing the task, so that the training can be given to them, they can be instructed, they can be motivated, they can be guided, so that they can do the work in the right direction. Okay. So next topic for today is the leadership, which is the very important element of directing. Leadership. So leadership means influencing the behavior of the people at work regarding the specified goals. So leaders are there to influence the behavior of the people. You have listened about many leaders in the society, like Prime Minister Modi is a political leader, and everyone is so much of influenced by our Prime Minister Mr. Modi that whatever he is saying, we people are doing. It means we are showing our respect, our love to our leader. So leaders are of that type of persons which are greatly influencing their followers. Whenever there is a concept of leader, then there are always followers. So it can be defined as the process of influencing the behavior. The important word here is influencing the behavior. The person can be the leader only when he is able to influence the behavior. Influence means it is just like whatever the leader is saying, the followers are doing the same thing without any question. It means they really love their leader, they really respect their leader. That's why they are following him. And in the organization, you must be thinking that what is the requirement of leader? Leader is very much required in the organization because the manager has to get work done from others. Get work done from others. And it is not very much easy task to get work done from others, because it is more easy to do the work yourself, but it's difficult to get your work done from others, because you have to convince them to do your work, you have to make the things clear to them so that they can do your work in a better way. So every manager has to be the leader. In leadership, there are some qualities are there in a leader. So if those qualities are not present in the manager, then he will not be able to get the work done from their employees, and he will not be able to achieve the organizational goal. So just like we are teacher in front of you, so teachers are also the leader. The students will be following the teacher, they will be listening the teacher only when they will be influenced by them, only when they will be having the love and respect for them. So for leader, we are always having love and respect, and we are little bit influenced by our leader, so that's why we are following him. So leadership indicates the ability of an individual to maintain good interpersonal relation. So whenever we are talking about leadership, then it is always the ability of a person, or person here means leader, to maintain the interpersonal relationship. Interpersonal relationship means leader does not behave just in a formal manner. He also behave as an informal manner. It means friendly behavior must be there. So manager can get the work done only when he is very much friendly to the employees. Why the friendly behavior is required? To motivate the workers to contribute for achieving organizational objectives. So leader, and whatever the behavior the leader is showing, that is known as leadership. So leadership is a process of influencing the behavior of the people by making them strive voluntarily. Behavior of the people, then you can add these lines here, by making them strive voluntarily towards the achievement of goal. Why I have used word voluntarily? Because in leader, when we are following the leader is not forcing us. He has just influenced us, and we ourselves are ready to behave in the desired manner. Whatever the leader wants, we are doing. So this is all about leadership. Now the next topic is features or characteristics of leadership. So features are very much clear from the definition. First, it indicates the ability of an individual, yes, to influence the others. So leadership ability cannot be the same in two managers. Like two managers are there, A and B, both are MBA. Their educational qualification is same. So both are MBA, and manager A is not having the ability to influence others. So that's why his team is not giving importance to him. They are not listening to him. But manager B has a good leadership skills. One quote is there for leaders, that leaders are born, not made. Leaders are born, not made. It means leadership qualities can not be attained. This a person receives by birth. So influencing ability. So it indicates the ability of an individual to influence others. So it is the individual ability. It differs from person to person. It tries to bring change in behavior. Yes, influence means tries to bring change in behavior. Suppose the employees are having negative attitude towards the organization. So leader, just because of his influencing power, his motivational words can change the behavior of the employees towards the organization. So their negative attitude towards the organization can be converted into positive attitude. Then it shows interpersonal relationship. Interpersonal relationship means friendly relationship, informal relationship, to motivate others, to influence others. Friendly relationship must be there, so that the employees are open with their leader and they are discussing all the problems, whether it is their personal problem or the work related problem, with the leader. Only then the leader can understand their employees in better way to achieve the common goal. Yes, leadership is done to achieve the common goal, and it is a continuous process. And goal oriented process also you can write in the feature. Why? Because leadership is used to achieve the goal. As well as universal. Leaders are not only found in business, leaders are found everywhere, whether it is the field of political or educational or office organization, school, everywhere the leaders are found. Even in the religious, leaders are also there. In yoga gurus are also there, and people are taking them as their leader, like the Baba Ramdev is the yoga leader, and the people are blindly following him. So whatever, they are greatly influenced by him, and leader plays a very important role in the successfulness of any of the organization. Like the whatever the like Reliance is a very successful organization, and the leader is the, who was the leader of the Reliance? Please tell me who was the leader. Leader means who has started. Yes, I am waiting for your answer. Please tell me. Yes. Yes, Wipro is a Infosys. All are the very successful. Yes, Dhirubhai Ambani. Very good, Gurnur. So all these are the successful organizations, and these organizations have become successful just because of the qualities of their leader. So here in this topic, in this content or aspect of directing, meaning, feature, and after the styles of leadership. This is the important topic, and actually from this topic only the case study comes. Okay, so styles of leadership means a leader cannot behave, behavior pattern. Styles here means the behavior pattern. Okay, style of leadership or style of leader. Style of leadership means behavior patterns. Behavior patterns of the leader. So a leader cannot behave in the same way in each and every situation. How the leader will be behaving, it depends on the nature of the employees. What type of employees are there? What type of employees are there in the team of the leader? And what is the requirement of the time and situation? So there are basically three behavior pattern of the leader. So leadership style refers to a leader's behavior pattern which the leader reflects in his role as a leader is often described as the style of leadership. Like Mahatma Gandhi, Ratan Tata, Anil Ambani, Bill Gates, Narendra Modi, Narayan Murthy, Baba Ramdev, all these are the very successful leaders in their own field. So leadership style depends upon some factors that what style a leader need to follow. So there are some factors like the leader's own personality, his own experience, and his own value system. First factor on which the leadership style will be affecting. Second factor, the type of the followers, which I told you. The type of followers means what are the people, what type of the people he needs to guide. Then next is the situation. What is the requirement of situation? Then the next is the use of authority by the leader. These are the four factors, and this can be the very important 1 marker or 3 marker question. Authority of leader. What type of authority the leader is using. So these are the four factors upon which the style of leadership depends. And a person or a leader will never be following only one style. He will be always following all the combination of different type of styles depending on the situation and the depending on the nature and the type of the followers. Okay, so these are the four factors. What? Leader's own personality, his experience and his value system. Second is the type of followers. Third is the situation prevailing in the environment, atmosphere of the environment, what type of environment is there in atmosphere. Then the authority, use of authority by the leader, up to what extent the authority is used by the leader. Okay, so three styles are there. First style is autocratic. First style is, yes, autocratic. As the name specifies, the other name of this leadership style is authoritative leadership style, autocratic leadership style, or directive leadership style. Autocratic, as the name tells you, means only the boss-centered leadership. Boss-centered. It means boss is at the center. In the diagram you can see boss is at the center. Who is boss? The leader, and all the employees are connected to him of his team. Suppose in this situation A is the leader and he is having 4% team B, C, D, E, and all are connected to him, and from diagram itself you can see that they are not connected with the other people. So they all are connected only with the leader and they are not connected with other people. So in this style, the employees are not allowed to communicate with each other. So it is clearly mentioned. And one more thing you can see that in this diagram, the arrows are only the downward. There is no arrow which is moving to upward. What does it mean? It means the leader, whenever the leader wants, he can communicate to the employees. He will be just giving the orders, instructions, rules, regulations to the employees, and employees are not free to give their suggestions, to give their feedback, or if they are having any problem in that situation also, though they are not free to talk with the leader.